Welcome to the quick start tutorial on UI of Marvelous Designer. Let's start checking our mouse settings. Select Preference, View Controls. We have the option of changing to different presets. Find the one that fits you best or create a custom one. In the Preference menu, you can also find the configuration of other aspects that involve the function of the software. On the left side of our screen, we have two different tabs, General and Connect Store. General contains the main distribution of the software. If you click on Connect Store, you will access it directly from the software. You will need to log in with the unified account. You will find useful content here, distributed in 4 categories. The content can be from other users, and the Connect team will provide many free items. This can help beginners to access quality patterns, poses, trims, and fabrics without leaving Marvelous Designer. The default distribution of Marvelous Designer is, on the left side, the 3D window. On the right side is located the 2D window. On top of the 3D window are the 3D tools, and on top of the 2D window are the 2D tools. The library is located on the left side of the 3D window. There you can access files from the different default folders. Under the library will be display the files within the selected folders. You have the option of resetting folders, adding folders, or downloading files from them with the icons on the top right of the library. On the right side of the 2D window, we have the Object Browser. You have different options accessible from the Object Browser tab. By default will be Selected Fabric. Can be changed at any moment. If you click on the created fabric, it will display the Properties menu. There you can find many parameters to work with and find the right effect for your garments. In case we are not going to use the Object Browser or the library, we can hide them, leaving more space for the 3D and the 2D window. You can bring them back whenever they are needed. On the lower right side of the screen will be 4 different icons that will change the distribution of the workspace. This will allow you to add or remove windows. Each window can be changed for any of the other functionalities available. Just go to the window you want to change. On top of it will be the specification of which one is active with an arrow pointing down. The window you are using can be toggle of the main workspace to locate then where is better for you. To activate this functionality, just click on the top right icon of the desired window. To turn it off, just click on the X icon. Now let's access some trim menus and properties. For this, just select one of the options available. In this case, I selected the button menu. If you select the active trim, you will access their properties menu, displayed under the trim menu. Let's introduce an avatar into the scene. For this, you will need to access your default avatars through the avatar folder in your library. I open the file of Hannah. You can choose from a variety of default avatars, covering male-female options, stylized, and age. Each will include motion, pose, and shoes options. Remember that if you need more options, you might find what you need at Connect Store. Can be import either custom avatars or garments into scene. Go to File, Import, and choosing the most suitable option from the different formats. If you just want to add to the current scene, you can use the option Import, Add. If you have your garment already saved in one of your folders, then you can just drag it into scene. You can add as many garment or avatars into scene as you need using the Import Add option. If you need to export, you will find a list of different formats to choose from. Each format will allow us to set specific properties. Let's see what FBX and OBJ properties look like. Both have options to set the type of mesh, the behave between patterns, maps, and UVs that are the same, but have specifications unique of each format. OBJ allowed the user to specify which items are included in the export. FBX, for example, allowed us to exclude the rig or keep the animation cache. When using the Save format from Marvelous Designer, you will have to choose from Garment or Project. Saving as Project will keep the garment and the avatar within the file. Saving as Garment will keep only the garment and exclude the avatar from being saved. On the bottom of the workspace can be located the animation tools. To open the Animation tab, click on the arrow pointing up on the bottom mid. The Omniverse connector, one of the bridges of Marvelous Designer, is located in the Object Browser and can be added to the server or join sessions from there.